My Creatrix experience, wow. It's hard to put into words. It's kind of been a bit surreal, and it's been intense, and it's been a journey of discovery, and it's been a journey of camaraderie and support. There's been some amazing ladies that we've been working together, so it's been a good experience. Yeah. Feeling like a fraud. It's cost me, well, I guess an income from where I could have started, I think, a while ago, but you just, something holds you back from taking it further, but there's an emotional cost that's involved with it, and not feeling like I've accomplished and achieved what my purpose is in life, and yeah, I just feel like I'm not at the spot that I should be at right now. I guess when you don't feel good enough, you don't move forward to where you should be and into the space that you should be. And I think what it would cost me is possibly, I guess there's the idea of the respect from your kids, because I want them to be doing whatever they want to do and can be. And then if you tell them that they can, but they haven't seen it in you, what sort of model are you setting? I don't feel like a fraud anymore, so I guess that's a 0. Well, I've kind of realised that my kids do respect me. I think it was more myself that didn't respect myself, and I'm just as good as the next person. And I think, I don't know, it's just a different feeling. I don't know, I just feel like I can go out there now and really get started. Yeah. So I am good enough, so I feel lighter, I feel like I'm breathing better, and success is there waiting for me, and I just need to go out and grab that, because my success is different to someone else's success, but I know what I want, and I think it's actually going to be, it's kind of just there, and I just need to go for it. And I've had a vision in my head for a while, and I think that vision is where that will be. I'll be, life will be fun, and it will be enjoyable, and I will be just accomplishing all the goals that I've kind of got set in my head that I want to do, and the vision that I'm creating. A lot of the other courses I've done have been, I guess, distance from where I live. It's remote, so a lot of the courses I've done have been kind of like learning it from a distance, and I really like hands-on. I guess with nursing, you tend to be a very hands-on learning type of person, building that confidence straight away, seeing the changes that are immediate. But this I can just see is this longer lasting feeling, and like that real feeling of community, because it's not thousands of other people, it's just a small community that's been working at it together, and those relationships, I think, will be a good strong bond to keep you moving forward. Yeah. If you're thinking about having Creatrix, I would say you absolutely should. Be committed, and just have that gut knowing that this is going to work for you, and that it's going to impact your life for the long term. And I just can't understand why people